College students across Tamil Nadu are set to intensify their protest today, asking the centre to move a separate resolution against Sri Lanka at the Human Nations Human Rights Council later this week. They want the resolution to recognise the genocide of Tamils in Sri Lanka and seek an independent international probe in addition to a referendum in Tamil areas. In Chennai, students plan to lay siege to Raj Bhavan. And tracking that story closely for us is my colleague Sam Daniel, who now joins us from Chennai. Sam, the UPA government has already indicated that it may just vote against Sri Lanka at the United Nations Human Rights Council meeting that takes place later this month. But clearly it's not been enough to pacify these students.
That's right, Divya. I come to you from Saidapet in Chennai, where hundreds of students have gathered here and they are right now ready to court arrest. They are actually attempting to lay siege to the Raj Bhavan, but the police are not allowing them. But as you said, they are not happy with just India voting against Sri Lanka, but they want to make sure that India moves a fresh resolution, putting it on record that a genocide against Lankan Tamils has taken place in Sri Lanka. They also want an independent international probe on allegations of genocide and human rights violations. And thirdly, they want the resolution to talk about referendum in Tamils area so that they'll be able to carve out a separate homeland for them. I have with me Monisha, a law student. How important is to put on record that genocide has taken place in Sri Lanka?
The people who are killed there in Sri Lanka are only the Elam Tamil people. So when it is targeted on only one group of people, then it is obviously genocide, not a mere war crime or mere human rights violation. So that's why we are insisting the UN to pass a resolution stating genocide.
What kind of a result do you think an international probe would achieve?
International probe, if you have, now the thing is only with the Sri Lankan government. If there is international probe, the truth will come out, then there will be a proper justice for the people who suffered in Sri Lanka.
And you also want a referendum?
That's right, because Tamil people have struggled a lot all these days. Now to have a better life, they should be given general referendum so that they can choose their own government.
Last year, India voted against Sri Lanka, supporting the US resolution, but you feel that it has not really served the cause?
No, it hasn't, because if that is so, now still now up to the date, still crime is happening towards Tamil people there.
Right, thank you very much. And here the police buses have arrived, Divya, to pick up these students here. And the Lankan Tamils issue has always been an emotional issue in Tamil Nadu. And this protest by students across Tamil Nadu brings back memories of the anti-Hindi agitation in Tamil Nadu in the early 60s. And the Chief Minister Jayalalitha, who has time and again asked the centre to pass tough resolutions against Sri Lanka, is expected to give a statement in a short while from now. We're hearing reports from all across Tamil Nadu that students in different districts are gathering like this, trying to block roads or trains, making their demands very clear that they want India to take a lead and move a fresh resolution at the United Nations Human Rights Council before it comes for voting on the 21st. Divya.
Right, Sam, thanks so much for joining us with that. So protests against Sri Lanka intensifying across Tamil Nadu, and that would perhaps mean greater pressure on the UPA government.